Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a mines run. But I'm not going alone in there because I'm a scaredy cat like you saw in the last video, in the Fear and Gorilla video. So I have my friend here.
Hi.
Yeah, I'll put his channel on screen so you can go subscribe to him. He has only 5 subscribers. Ugh, I fell. He only
I only
has
have
like
2 video.
Yeah, he has like 2
I have
videos
2
he
videos.
recorded from a GoPro. So you should go watch those videos. They're actually pretty good. And maybe even
Yeah.
subscribe to him. Alright, let's go. There's also VHS tape in here, but I don't want it because I already got it. I need research points. Yes. I need RP. That's not RP. Oh my god. ARP. Gold! That's free. Where'd he go? Hold up, I'm gonna go back in the call. Oh, there you are. Alright, let's go. What up? The anglerfish is in here. No, stop! Stop! Okay, don't go back in front of him. Actually, let's try to kill him. Let's try to kill him.
Yo, we just angered him.
I know. Let's try to kill him. Hey, anglerfish, get on! Get on a wall! You bozo? Die! Idiot. Shotgun ammo.
Oh, just shotgun.
Anyways, turn on your light. Hey, let me get the RP. Let me get the RP.
Well, I need some RP too.
Oh yeah, lava. Oh wait, we can't get this. What is that noise?
Yeah?
Come here.
Hold on.
I just got a research point from that.
Yo, bro.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Money. Okay, this way.
Okay, well.
You can't do that. Can you die, please? Thank you. Oh! My light turned off. My light's off. Hold up. Okay. This way. Not this way. Also, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to get goop. if you don't already know. This
Where
one.
are you?
I'm here. Okay, let's leave the lava area now. Don't mind the green thing. Don't mind the green thing. Mimic! 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 Get out of there, bro!
I gotta reach.
Stop mining! Dude, he's on you. Bro, he wants you, dog. Hit it! Oh, he's stuck.
He is.
Yeah. Oh, he went back to normal. Okay.
Well, I'm
Should
not
we?
trying to
Let's
die.
go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. We shall explore. No. What is it? Oh. What is? Oh. Where
This.
are you? Oh my God! I got stuck.
Over here.
I fell. I fell. I'm fall. Okay. This is. Where'd you go? Oh. Spider coming. Sorry, I hit the web.
You hit the web.
Yeah, I hit the web. Flare
Yo,
gun.
did we
Wait,
just
this
kill
is
it?
actually useful. We could stun a monster if we need to. Okay, let's keep going.
What?
Spider, web. Oh, you can actually just kill them? Oh.
Mimic.
Should we run?
Should we?
Oh. What the heck? Run! Okay, let's go. No. Oh, let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go in here.
This is the way back.
Freak. Let's go in this cave. Let's go in this cave. Armstrong. Kill them.
These guys are strong. Of course, I'm fighting the strong one.
Shield crossbow. We don't need crossbow. Hold up, I need some of the gold, bro. Save some for me. Save some for me, dog. Cause I need money.
I need money too, and research points.
I have 4 research points already.
4? I have
Yeah.
5. Whoa!
He spawned. Okay. What's in that? Lance? Okay. Yeah, let's go. There's another Armstrong.
I make the strong.
Oh, he hit me. He takes so long to kill.
Oh, it's just.
Oh, yeah. Wait. Throw that down. Oh, that could have been so bad. Don't! Because if you hit it, I can't drop it. I can't drop it.
Drop what?
I can't drop.
It's
This is the way back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, it's gone.
Yo, remember we're still making a video.
Yeah, I know. Oh, my hand is stuck like this.
We just gave up on mines?
No. My hand was stuck. Okay, let's go back. Actually, I may not show you how to get goop.
It depends.
Yeah, because time limits and all that. What the heck is happening? It just respawned.
What did?
The freaking thing. The rocket ammo.
What? How?
I don't know. Hold up. Blow it up.
I don't have it.
Blow it up.
Where is
It's
it?
in my hand. What the heck? Oh. It's a glitch. Hold up, let me rejoin the lobby.
Alright, I'm just gonna pick up.
Yeah, you're not Foxy, little bro. Frog, Adam, yeah.
I'm back. What the? I'm going in mines. I'm in mines.
I'm here.
Okay. Yeah, that was a
Let's go straight
glitch.
across to where. Let's go
Okay,
back.
we gotta go down. We gotta go down.
Put the mimic.
It's not there anymore. At least I. Is that a mimic? That's a mimic. Fear not, I know how to handle. Any stuff? No? Okay. Let's go in here. Gold! Yes! Oh my god, I fell. Oh yeah, mine the orb-shaped one. You gotta... What fell?
Oh, just a piece of gold.
Oh, I found it. Plants.
Yo, where are you?
I'm right here. Okay, let's leave this place because this is just a dead end. Oh my god, I keep getting stuck. Oh wait, let's not leave. This is not a dead end. Come on, bro. It's not a dead end.
Oh yeah, this is the way to planetarium, by the way.
Yes. Mind these. You get Armstrong. Why can't he climb? Okay, he's dead. Gold.
I need get some of the gold. One of the gold.
Yeah, I'll let you have it.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is the right way.
Wait, planetarium is this way.
Hold on.
I have 300 company coins. Okay. Is it this way? Yeah.
Yeah.
I found it. Holy moly! Oh shoot!
Stop!
I didn't need to. Wait, no, it's not the right way.
Come back.
I'm getting stuck. Spider! Boom.
No, it is the right way. Where are you?
I'm at the wood thing. I see you. Oh, right up here. Okay.
No, come back. That's the right way.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Trust me. There's just
Okay.
mimics.
Okay. I'm stuck. Oh my god. Spider. Oh, it is the right way.
There's mimics.
Dude, we gotta kill the spider first. You're annoying as hell. Okay. It's on you. Ow!
Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god!
Wait, mimics actually don't do much damage.
Oh.
So I think you're good.
But no, I'm low. I'm at like 1 heart.
Okay, bro. You gotta. Oh my god. Where are you?
I'm dead.
Mimic's dead.
You're over here.
Spider's back.
Okay.
Get on the roof!
I'm dead.
I'll revive you. Oh, well that's just wonderful. I'm now trapped in mines. Great. Yeah, so he just took Jake's body. So that's just wonderful. I love it. I'm now going to leave mines, because I'm scared of mines. Can I please leave? Thank you.
I'm back.
Oh my god, you scared me! Okay, I thought you were a mimic.
Mimics don't work.
Mimic is alive, Mimic is alive! Stay back, stay back, stay back, stay back. Mimic. Mimic. I think he's friendly.
Just go past him.
Oh wait, you can? Oh shoot, I'm gonna...
There's a spider.
Don't worry, I got you, I got you. Okay, he's dead, he's dead. Come get your stuff, come get your stuff, bro. Revolver ammo, I don't care. Okay. Spider. We made it!
Yes, we did.
Yeah!
Let's go. If you fall, just grab it.
Yeah, I know.
Don't go there.
They buffed the lava so much. moly, hold up. I'm not ready, twin.
You're in?
Yeah, I'm in source. I'm in planetarium. Wait, I got 5. I have 5. I have 5. I think I can get the teleport now.
Wait, how many have you got so far?
4. I'll get it.
How many do you have?
I don't know.
We should probably go back.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, wait. Freak you. Pickaxe.
Your mic is muted?
Huh?
You think your mic is muted?
No. Let me in. I'm massive. What the heck? Okay. Touch that when you're big. As soon as I go small, I'm getting the freaking teleporter gun. Yes! 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 What the? No. Oh, bye-bye. I got it.
Yo, I'm gonna get.
Alright, I'm now gonna show y'all a glitch to get to the freaking server room. So you need 2 things and umbrella. Put this on your back when it's open. It's not on my back. What the heck? Okay. So then you come over here. In case you don't know this, most of you probably already know this. Then you teleport. Okay, you should be here. Then you just wanna.
Yo, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay.
Posted.
Come back. Yo,
Yo.
so could we go get some goop really quick?
I don't know if I can, but you know what I do need? I need you. What? I'm gonna need you. I'm gonna need you. For what? Caves. Wait a minute. Wait, actually, we don't need to go to caves.
Yes, we do.
No, I think there's a glitch.
I'm at the spider in the cave.
Oh. Hey, bro, I may be in vents somehow.
Bruh. Okay. I just got past the spider.
Cool. I guess. I don't know where I am.
I'm basically at the worm.
Okay. Wait, there's a thing here.
I'm at
Yeah? I actually have no idea where I am. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video.